Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Spring onions is one of our family's favorite vegetable. So my mom always tries to plant some spring onions in our garden. But this is not spring onion, this is garlic. Look at how healthy they look. Anyways, getting back to the topic, today my mom will explain you all how you can plant onions. And not only onions as well as spring onions. First of all, you need to prepare the soil. Keep in mind that onions like loamy fertile soil. Here my mom used a mixture of sand, garden soil, cocoa pit and kitchen waste compost, but you can also use vermicompost. Here my mom used a small sized onion, but you can also use sambar onions. Just plant how my mom is planting here. This is an 8-inch pot and my mom planted 4 onions in it. Ideally, you have to plant it in a 4 to 6-inch interval. The best time for planting them is early winter. My mom planted them about 10 days ago. Actually, my mom plants these onions all over the year. So there is no problem in planting them now. After planting, make sure to cover them with half an inch of soil. Then you can even it out. And after this, as you know, we always have to water our plants. And during this time, my mom prefers to water with turmeric water. This acts as a fungicide as well as gives some nutrition to the plant. Then always try to keep these pots in a sunny area, from where your plants will get 6 hours of sunlight. And these onions like moist soil, that's why a regular watering is a must. Now let me tell you the second way of planting onions. First, you need the top portion of the onion and then plant it using the same way. You see these onion plants? They are from the onion cuttings. And after 10 days, look at the plants. In this pot, 2 plants have already grown, but 2 plants did not grow yet. And during this time, there are a lot of weeds. That's why my mom is simply handpicking the weeds. I hope if we wait for a few more days, the rest of the onions will also sprout. That plant is actually a weed, but then my mom noticed that it is not just a weed. That is actually a tomato plant. Look, these are the plants that my mom planted from the cuttings. They have grew so tall. So instead of throwing away the upper plant of the onions, you can simply plant them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.